Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fish cleaning tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Giantex Folding Fish Cleaning Table. People who love fresh fish should have this Giantex Folding Fish Cleaning Table. The folding table for fish cleaning by Giantex is a multi-purpose table for all your outdoor adventures. This folding table is ideal for cleaning freshly caught fish or even game, and 45 inches by 23.6 inches x 37.4 inches in size, a more extensive cleaning area for many cleaning tasks. It is also foldable and lightweight, making it portable and convenient to carry while traveling or camping. The table has foldable with a lockable leg part, making it sturdy and solid, and so you do not have to worry while working on it. The tabletop surface is of high-quality HEPE material that can sustain rough operations on it. The table sink is large and has a correct drainage system that connects the faucet to clean water to clean the food and table. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GYMAX Folding Fish Cleaning Camp Table. Most of the people dealing with fish look for the best fish cleaning table with outstanding features. The GYMAX knew this, and they came with the perfect folding fish cleaning table. The GYMAX fish table is made with high-density polyethylene materials that are strong and can handle demanding duties. The feet are made of iron that is durable and gives the table its sturdiness, such that even with the addition of more pressure on the table, it will still be firm. The faucet is undoubtedly exceptional as it is made of premium ABS materials, making the table last long. The table has a wide range of applications, and it is ideal for a picnic, fishing, camping, and other outdoor activities. After you are done with the table, you fold the legs and are ready for storage. The legs have a powder coating that prevents them from rust damage. For a clean working area, the table features a sloppy surface with raised edges. At number 3, we have the Vingli Outdoor Folding Fish Cleaning Table. Vingli is a significant player in catering to the needs of those who camp. When you think of going on a fishing trip, don't forget to get this perfect outdoor folding fish cleaning table. It is a lightweight table weighing 28 pounds you can lift with one hand, while its folding design makes it easy for transportation. The table is very sturdy. It has heavy-duty lockable legs and stable construction of premium quality materials, with the tabletop made of HDPE and stainless steel faucet. The package contains a standard garden hose adapter that gives more choices. The working area is ample for many tasks, and the table's height is perfect and comfortable for most outdoor activities like food cutting, fish cleaning, and cutting. This table's compact size makes it easy to carry, as it also has a special carton for protection, thus reducing the chances of breaking. At number 2, we have the Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Washing Table. Known as best for value, the Coldcreek Outfitters Outdoor Fish Washing Table is affordable and a quality fish cleaning table for occasional or regular. The fish cleaning task is made more accessible while working on this table. You can also use this table as a preparation unit, from cleaning to cutting and preparing to cook the fish. The table features 2 large sinks, giving you ample space that you can keep many cleaning items. The table is large enough that you can clean different sizes of fish on it. The table is durable as it is constructed of heavy-duty materials, assuring a longer lifespan. The 4 legs are foldable, making the table compact for use anywhere. The drainage system is excellent as it is fitted with plugs and tubes for an easy water outlet. Since the table is corrosion resistant, it is ideal for use at the garden, picnic, or campsite, and is easy to clean. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kotulis Fish Cleaning Camp Table. Kotulis Fish Cleaning Camp Table makes an excellent go-to solution for home and outdoor use. For starters, this portable fish camp table does not absorb fish odor. This makes it super easy to clean and maintain. The model also comes with flexible faucets that enable you to clean your fish and other game without any mess. The model is made from high-end materials to ensure optimal performance for years. It is also lightweight, foldable, and easy to assemble. The foldable design also makes it super easy to carry to your destination. Moreover, the model also includes a sink and a garden hose attachment. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.